Everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at National LAX. Yeah, let's take a quick look at the executive aisle. A little bit later in the day here on the weekend. Actually got a fairly decent selection, considering a lot of the cars go out on the weekend. Got a Nissan Rogue, bunch of Camrys, Malibus. Yeah, it looks like a Maxima down here, I think. Yeah, we got a minivan, Equinox. Another Maxima over here. Another minivan, a couple pickup trucks. And I think that's another Maxima. There's some of the more premium cars. And this is the regular Emerald aisle. Looks like there's a Cooper over here, Mini Cooper.